أهلا وسهلا بك في قناة المنتدى التعليمي. إذا لم تكن مشتركا في القناة اضغط على زر الاشتراك أسفل الفيديو ليصلك كل جديد.
Accounting. Accountant. Account. Accounting cycle. Debit. Credit. Transaction. General journal. Journal entry. Adjusting entry. Closing entry. Ledger. Post. Trial balance. Income summary. In cash. On credit. Deposit. Withdraw. Borrow. Trade discount. Cash discount. Prepare. Merchandise. Income statement. Sales. Sales returns and allowances. Sales discount. Net sales. Cost of goods sold. Beginning inventory. Purchases. Purchases. Purchases discount. Net purchases. Transportation in. Ending inventory. Gross profit. Operation expenses. Selling expenses. Selling expenses. Transportation out. General and administrative. Net income from operation. Other revenue. Rent revenue. Interest revenue. Dividends. Gain on sales of assets. Gain on disposal. Other expenses. Interest expenses. Loss on sale of assets. Bad debts. Net income. Net loss. Balance sheet. Statement of financial position. Assets. Current assets. Cash. Marketable securities. Accounts receivable. Notes receivables. Fixed assets. Accumulated depreciation. Accrued revenues. Liabilities. Short-term liabilities. Long-term liabilities. Long-term loans. Owner's equity. Capital. Owner's drawings. Other liabilities. Unearned revenue. Accrued expenses.